can. Only longer than a python. You don't find much like that. See, I think I got an infection though. It's all black at the top. I only have one ball.
You should go to the doctor about that. This is a live TV show. Oh my goodness.
And it stands up. That time won't go back down. See, look, sit.
Now, how did you get that name?
The bitch just told me. Because I let my pubes hang out. My pubes hanging out. Get that?
I know. Do you have a girlfriend at this time?
Hell no. Girlfriends are too much to take care of. Man, they shave their legs and it's all up in the bathroom like a hairy beast just walked up in there and shaved himself. Horrible. Last time I let a girl use my shower. Clog it up, man.
Do you own a home?
Yes, I do.
Own a home. You're not renting it.
I own it, bitch.
Okay. You own this home. Well, where did they find you for this interview?
Show me you damn home.
I'm gonna pick the guest. I judged him.
You lucky you won't without slap the hell out of you. Slap all that glasses and acne and bitch ass glamour off your face. Cause you rich, you think you rich as a bitch and you a bitch.
We'll be back.